Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. V1 base form bake. V2 past form baked. V3 past participle baked. V4 present par, baking. V5 s or es or is bakes. Question 1. What is the past tense of the verb bake? Answer. The past tense of the verb bake is baked. Question 2. What is the past participle of the verb bake? Answer. The past participle of the verb bake is baked. Question 3. What is the present participle of the verb bake? Answer. The present participle of the verb bake is baking. Question 4. What is the third person, singular s or es or is of the verb bake? Answer. The third person singular, ses is of the verb bake is bakes. Thanks for watching.